In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood support struts on this Ram 2500. They are the pistons that hold your hood. There are two of them, one on each side. Let's get started. The first step is to either have an assistant or have something that'll support the hood for you, because one piston will not hold it up. It doesn't matter where you start, but you will need a small screwdriver or a pick or anything else that you have that gets right in here to pop this metal clip out. This is what will unlock it from holding on to that ball stud. With it unlocked, push it out. Obviously the hood is being supported, otherwise it will be very heavy. Set this aside and follow the piston all the way up. You'll have to do the same exact thing on the top. I'm going to stick my pocket screwdriver in here. There it is. Now you want to inspect this area to make sure it's not rusted or extremely dirty. Sometimes that happens. So in that case, do whatever you have to do to make sure that it's secured properly. Now these come with a little bit of grease inside of them, so no need to add grease here. All you do is you take the correct end and snap it over. That's installed. Move it around a little and follow it down. Down here, do the same thing, wipe this off. Looks pretty clean. Line it up. Might have to push the hood up just a little bit. Snap it on, and that's it. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.